Everybody, sorry about that. I get a little excited when these 70 Chevelles come in. This is a brand new arrival here at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois on this beautiful sunny day, guys. Beautiful, gorgeous Dodge Viper blue. Beautiful paint in and out the car. Inside is super clean. You'll see that. Nice stance on this Chevelle. We did tuck that front tire in pretty well and lowered it a little bit, and that big rally wheel in the back, that 15x10 with that big tire, should I say. BFGs all around. Like I said, beautiful paint, excellent stance, big block, 454 on a detailed engine compartment, smoothed out firewall, painted under the hood. Inner fenders have been painted really nice. The whole car was taken apart. It is a frame off, recent restoration within 5-year time frame. Not many miles on this big block 454. Aluminum heads, as you can see, AFRs all around. High-rise Edelbrock aluminum intake, Holley carb, nice chrome valve covers, polished. Aluminum radiator, huge fan. Nice cover here, super clean on the core support. Optima red battery, tubular control arms to get that suspension to feel really tight, smooth going down the road. And yes, the cowl induction is hooked up, guys. Power steering, power brakes, and vintage cold air conditioning. All right, guys, that's part of here. You got a Cortez silver stripe sitting on top of the Dodge Viper blue paint. Super nice chrome on the front. Trim is good. Grille is good. Wheel and tire package looks phenomenal. Like I said, there's your cowl induction, and yes, it is functional. Beautiful all around here under the dash pad has been custom painted as well. So you know this entire interior has been taken out and redone the right way. Okay, you got dual sport side mirrors, really nice trim throughout the car, all the way there. Beautiful paint, like I did say earlier. Look at that big meat on the back. Dual exhaust, excellent chrome on the back, and again, yes, Cortez silver stripes on the back of the Chevelle. I'm gonna pop the trunk really fast. I want you guys to check this out. Really nice, really clean. Spare tire, jack, nicely restored in the trunk. Okay, very solid. Trunk lid painted underneath. Nice big 12 bolts in the back, posi rear end with the big sway bar. Exhaust, you got the X pipes there. Yeah, baby. All right, let's go check it out. Look at that. Wait till you hear it. Package straight done with the 6x9s all in there. Nice setup. There's your side passenger sport mirror all set up there. There you have it. There you have it. I want to fire this thing up, but first, let me show you guys the inside. Check out these door lips. Look how original they appear. Okay, look at that. Look closer. Yeah. Brand new interior, SS door panels. Inner outer jambs are done excellent. Door sill plates are new. Striker's been replaced with all the vents. Beautiful bucket seats. B&M shifter on the center. Upgraded steering wheel. Beautiful setup on the retro stereo system. And vintage air. Okay. Chevelle SS on the carpet mats. Headliner is nice. All right. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Look at that. Let's fire this up really quick. Let me grab my keys. Easy start. My guy tuned the carburetor. Perfect. Get in. Okay. Odometer 67,284. The engine was rebuilt at 66,600. Okay. So it's about 1,800 miles, proven miles, graded gauges, excellent oil pressure, no overheating problems, and you see the B&M shifter there. Listen to this thing. That's how a Chevelle should sound like. Wow. There you have it, folks. We're gonna go for a test drive. The glass in the car is all good. All the windows roll down perfectly as well. No complaint car here, guys. No complaint at all. Let me get these hood pins back in place. Gotta be careful when you're doing these so you don't scratch your paints. All right. Babe. The other door, passenger side, perfect, just like the driver's side, guys. Everything functions. Turn signal, wipers, radio, air conditioning, heat, and the gauges. So 454, gone over that with you for the big block motor, automatic trans with the 12-bolt rear end. Oh man, hold on. Let's see if I can get this baby to stick. All right, let's try it again. One more. All right. Yeah, with these tubular front control arms, this thing feels really like butter on turning and the suspension. Down the road, I'm telling you, smooth as can be, and the handling, it is tight. This is a really, really nice car, guys. You see the cowl induction opening? Yeah, baby. Ow! I love this job. You can drive this across the country, gentlemen. I've probably gone through 1,000 different Chevelles, guys. This is definitely on my top 100. If you've been following me, then you know. Been doing this for 25 years. You guys can go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel for all new arrivals. Like us on Facebook as well, Instagram, Twitter, all the places. Anybody that comes sees this car or drives it is buying it. Bring your checkbook, I'm telling you. We're 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you want to come in, feely, touchy the car, let's go. Do it. Got nothing to hide. Everything's here. We're 45 minutes from Midway as well. We're located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois. Oh shit. You gotta see the smoke show behind me. This is where it's at, baby. God damn. Sorry for the swearing. Sorry. God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to everybody. I just get excited and words just come out of my mouth. Sorry about that. Anyway, come see us, guys. If you want to finance the car, you will need 10% down. Unless your credit score is 750 or higher, then we got a no money down option. But 10% down is definitely needed. You can find the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. Please text me first and call me and let me know that you're doing it. Make sure the car's still available. If you need a delivery quote, go grab a pen. I'm going to leave my number shortly. Man, I'm gonna extend this drive a little bit longer. Usually my videos are about 5 to 6 minutes. This one's a little longer. This is a sweetheart of a car, and it's comfortable sitting in here, and it's easy to drive. Brakes work well. It's a 4-wheel power disc, if I didn't mention that. If I didn't mention that earlier. Oh, man. Whoa! Ow! Woo! God damn. Anyway, we're headed back to the shop, guys. If you need financing, it's not a problem, like I said. And if you need delivery, call me or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Ask for Thomas, guys. We're going to talk very soon. Let's go back to mgmclassiccars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful classic cars. Talk to you guys soon.